Today on the Rug Garage, we turn this piece of cardboard into some steel. And put it right there. Hey, it's already there. Step one is to make a template. Now I have a template here, but looking closer at it, if we weld this in here, and say we weld the bottom and the top together, guess what's not coming out? This bad boy. What if I just slotted it the whole way? See, and then you come out here, and then you go like that. I'm kind of a fan of that. I like it being one solid piece. The easiest way to do this is actually to take this bolt out, prepare these surfaces to be welded so we can weld these two pieces together. Then we're going to flip it around, put this right there, trace all these pieces out that we don't want, cut this, transpose it onto here, cut this into that piece, weld it on here, and then, well, I guess we put it back in the truck. Some would say clean the whole thing off and throw some zinc weld on there, and I'd say, yeah, you're right. But if this gets rusted through, one, that means the Dodge is on the road in the snow getting salt on it. Great. That's what we want. Two, that means we get to replace this and make it even better than we just did. Clamped. We'll do this side first, huh? There's weld number one. Let me know how you guys think I did. How did I do on side two? This tool right here, it really did the trick. Link for that is in the description below. And next, right there, and then we want to trace this out. That we want to go all the way down. Okay, that's what we got to cut off here so we can get a piece to fit. There's that cut. That cut. That's looking pretty good. Now we can transpose this onto a piece of steel. Not bad. Tacked into place, let's go give it a shot. Oh, she's a little tight right there. Definitely got to open that up. Yep. The truth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I like it. Only thing is this top part's not tall enough. He's feeling beefy. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. And plenty of room. They said weld it. And I said, okay. And there she is. Solid. Let's toss it in here and see what it looks like. Part one, done of this firewall. Sometimes the easiest thing to do when you don't know how to do something is to break it into one really small chunk where you can tell yourself, oh, I can do that. And that's what we did today, and that's what we're going to do next time as we continue to build this firewall. So stick around, because before you know it, this is all going to be filled up with metal. Thanks for watching. And you can tell that this is a great piece of cardboard because it's bigger than what we need. We're not going to get anything done today. No, we're not.